Hi, my name's Reese Wharton and I'm the graphics installer at 09 Custom Graphics. So step number one is to clean your plastics with soapy water, making sure all dirt and grime is off. Once assured your plastics are clean, you need to grab some contact cleaner. This will get any grease or oil that is left over from the soap. Finally, grab your alcohol wipe that's supplied with your graphics, and this will finish off your preparation. So, to get your graphics ready for application, you need to cut your strip down the middle of the graphic around 10mm. Also, when fitting graphics, try to leave your plastics on the bike. This will make things a lot easier for you. A lot of people struggle with fitting the exhaust side. The good tip is to cut your strip along the most severe bend of the plastic. Remember, always fit your graphics in at least room temperature. This will allow the glue to take maximum grip.